A downward move of 4.7% in Chainlink is anticipated tomorrow, per 30 rates. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. As of right now, Chainlink has dropped 0.4% in 24 hours and is hovering near $8.93. Time to explore what analysts foresee. Gov Capital Collector's data implies a move to $9.24 by February 17, about 3.5% higher than today. Chainlink could move toward $9.14, according to CoinLore, a move up close to 2.4%. CoinCodex points out it could move lower to $8.82, about 1.2% beneath current levels. Another prediction from 30 Rates notes Chainlink may fall toward $8.51, an estimated move lower of 4.7%. And in closing, CoinDataFlow targets $8.27 by tomorrow, down about 7.4%. This is the most profitable setup we've seen. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a decline of 7.4% to an increase of 3.5%. Based on these forecasts, CoinDataFlow stands in first place with 7.4% climb in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $12 and $74 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 96.4% chance of success. Pulling together the 5 forecasts, I've come up with a consensus scenario. The average of predictions leaves Chainlink close to $8.80. Okay, here's the closer look. The consensus calculation shows a 1.5% drop by tomorrow. Put another way, your capital could also increase by around 1.5%. In practice, $1,000 might correspond to roughly $15 gained. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 95.9%. At this point in the outlook, let's check the short-term 3-day market view given by analysts. For this horizon, Gov Capital Collector sees Chainlink heading higher. Meanwhile, CoinLore frames the 3-day picture as bullish. The outlook from CoinCodex shows the price drifting lower. The short-term stance from 30 Rates is also optimistic. CoinDataFlow signals no significant movement ahead. Combining all perspectives, the consensus indicates an upward-leaning outlook, suggesting upward momentum in the near term. Summing it up, most analysts share a bullish view on Chainlink. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were aimed at the day after. That day is behind us, so let's see how accurate they were. As a result, the verified closing price was $8.78. The outcome showed that only a small number of the forecasts matched reality. Most precise forecast was delivered by cryptonization. Time to organize the results. 3 forecasts stayed in yesterday's trading range. For ROI, there were several strong results, and crypto predictions came out on top. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. Coin price forecast is shown with accuracy, 97% forecast probability, and 0.7% ROI. Take a moment to look over the numbers and see who performed best this time. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and Chainlink. Chainlink falls behind, with SUI leading the table at 4%. At this stage, Chainlink is compared with only 4 cryptocurrencies, but the extended view with many more is coming soon to my website and Telegram. If you don't want to miss tomorrow's update, hit subscribe and stay ahead. See you next time, guys.